So, you're probably living in a virtual world, right? Maybe depressed or just empty from inside. Maybe insecure. Well, we see all of these people on social media. They seem happy. They're having a blast with their lives. But is that really reality? We live in a society which is depressing. We have been given out these certain looks, status you must be in order to be happy. Well, things are not always as they seem. Nowadays, it seems like everyone is on social media. Social media might be ruining our lives. Here's why. From addiction and mental health issues, jealousy and unhealthy comparisons. These are one of the big causes that can neglect of us being happy. And here's why you should spend more time in nature.
Come on, let's race, Taya! Yo! You have more power than you, man! Watch out, man! I have a camera in my hand! I have a camera in my hand! I can...
No, man!
No excuse! I'm going! I'm going!
Attention. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're enjoying this right now, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and do me a favor. Leave a thumbs up. I would appreciate it.
Hey man, what's up man? Nice to see you man.
Yeah. Where are we going, man, today?
Yeah man, tell you it's a very beautiful place. You know, we're going to a national park. You know, we're gonna,
I heard you cycled today.
Hey man, we're gonna bike over there. It's really beautiful man. Going to Holland man.
One ticket, how much it cost?
You have to pay one ticket for the car, that's €7.85.
Okay.
And for every adult you pay €11.10.
Dan ga ik hier met de kaart betalen. People, wait.
Well, before it was €8.50 or something.
Man. Why did it become expensive?
I was...
Hebben jullie toegangskaartjes? Hallo?
Hallo. Betalen.
Is this back? Back over here. What I really like about this tripod, it's robust. You can flex it and you can hang it on trees. It's very portable also. It's the Gorrila Pod 5K. I'm gonna have good fun with this. Come on.
So, at this footage, I forgot to put on my microphone. Anyways, these two people were trying to spread a message, which was concerned about to not use phones while driving. So you could write anything on the board and take a picture to help it spread more. Luckily,
I wouldn't know. Now the microphone is on.
Strike a pose.
I finally turned on my microphone.
The microphone is out.
Yeah.
Take this advice.
Don't use your phone while driving.
Yeah.
Spread the message.
Here you go.
Have a good day.
Have a nice day guys.
Okay, have a good one.
Yo, thank you very much. So we have arrived at some kind of palace, is it? Is
It's
it like
a small palace.
there's like a board I can show you. I'm really curious to see, man. There's something special going on over there. There's like a...
In 1911 bleek de 42-jarige Helene
wezenlijk nalaten. Vroeger dachten
This is an ice cafe?
Yeah, it's an ice cafe, man.
Ice cafe.
Wat kan ik doen voor jullie?
I want the Lipton one. It's this one. Lipton iced, yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. So how are you feeling right now?
Really relaxed.
You're really relaxed, huh? Yeah. Tomorrow you don't have to work. Today's Saturday.
Yeah, tomorrow, today Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday. Staying at home, Beautiful day today.
Beautiful day. And it's still not over,
Still not. You pay money and then, you have some, reward of that money. That is a beautiful thing.
From India?
Yeah, from India, yeah. We're Indian, yeah.
And your
Namaste, kya haal hai? Theek ho? Khan, Shah Rukh Khan? Very famous, Bollywood actor. Yeah.
Yeah! Having a blast right here. It's awesome. I feel some rain, coming in. Come on, let's race, Taya! Yo! You have more power than you, man! Watch out, man! I have a camera in my hand. I can... Go, man! No excuse! I'm going!